Hello everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis for an update here for Bitcoin. So of course on the micro count, it has been unfolding, of course, something very much better to read right now. So what we are looking possibly here is a formation of a contracting diagonal, of course, finished already. So what change has happened now? We were saying yesterday this might be an expanding flat root finishing as a running flat. Now it has changed the structure, of course, and it has used this as an impulsive wave. I know it is three waves, but yeah, it's a three waves for a contracting diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 just finished now, and by all means you have finished here your wave 1 and 2, of course. In that case scenario where we are looking for a major here after a WXY for a 1, 2, your major 1, 2, right? And and then we are looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. Now we are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished already here. This is for your 1, 2, and now you're moving, of course, in a wave 3, of course, with this scenario. Let's move with the yellow one. Here we go. So this is your 1, 2 already created, and now you are looking for another 1, 2, of course, as a leading contracting diagonal, right? And what we are looking for, of course, the top of it is here. Your wave 2 would be, of course, between the 0.618 and the 0.78. So very possible that we dive a little bit deeper this time and have a nice correction, probably, guys. So be careful with it. Of course, I would never give a financial advice here, but be careful from selling here. At this point, it's not a good decision, right? But of course, you do your own decisions, no financial advices here. So those are the target. We might, of course, move up again massively since we are looking for a contracting and diagonal pattern, which is something nice to see and kind of like telling us, of course, this might unfold a bigger impulse towards the upside. But of course, we need to charge a little bit again. So basically, we have started to see some retracement, right? At least on the 15-minute chart, we start to see some sharp retracement and then moving towards the upside. So be careful with it, okay? So the things start to get normalized a little bit now, of course, but we are still very bullish. And looking at it at the 1 hour chart, of course, this is what we are looking at. This is your main 1, 2 here, right? As 1, 2, and you're looking for wave 3 towards the upside in the orange scenario where you have already now finished a wave 1, 2, and then you are looking for 3, 4, and a 5, and in that way, of course, you finish this orange wave 3, of course, and inside, of course, this wave 3, of course, of the white scenario, you're gonna see as well 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 in the yellow count. So this is how we track it a little bit much more clearly. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Of course, higher prices, and we still have a 4-5 only for the first 1, 2 of the triple 1, 2s, guys. So we are still very much in the beginning of this bull run, guys. So you are in the middle of your wave 3. Nothing has finished yet. So we are still looking for higher prices. I know that the indicators are broken. All of them are in the red, especially the RSI. MG mentioned today in the comments that the RSI is so much high. Like, we are so much into it. And then I replied, we're gonna have like a little bit like some fun inside it. We're gonna have some time just having some rounds, several rounds. Look at this before, right? So this was your wave 3, and this is the previous the previous wave 1, right? So it's gonna happen the same for your wave 5. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, your impulse is already on the RSI as well, showing, of course, now we are in the green. So yeah, don't rely on the indicators. This is what I would like to say. Don't rely on these indicators. It might have a lot of higher prices, even like higher range inside the RSI. It doesn't matter, guys. And don't forget that today in the daily analysis we mentioned a very high possibility as well for a bigger wave 3, that we might be in 1-2-1-2, right? Because it doesn't look like so far from this scenario on the logarithmic chart, of course, as double 1-2s and then continuation for a wave 3 towards the upside. So everything is possible in crypto. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.